Symmetrical cross granny square crochet tutorial. Multiple squares can be joined to create garments, bags, or blankets. Materials. Round 1, magic ring. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Work 4 unfinished double crochet into the ring. After 4 unfinished double crochet, you'll have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops to complete the cluster stitch. Mark this stitch. Chain 3. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Work this sequence 4 times total. Work 5 unfinished double crochet. 6 loops on hook before joining. Then yarn over and pull through all. Tighten the magic ring. Slip stitch to the first cluster. Pull tight, as this doesn't count as a stitch. Cut yarn and weave tail to the back. Round 2. Join pink yarn in any chain 3 space from round 1. Pattern per side. Chain 1. Work 2 single crochet into the chain 3 space. In the cluster stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 7, 1 more single crochet in the same cluster. Work 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Repeat 4 times total. Slip stitch to join. Round 3. Join blue yarn in the middle single crochet of any 3 single crochet group from round 2. Chain 1. Work in the same stitch. 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 more single crochet. In the chain 7 space, 2 half double crochet. Nine double crochet, 2 half double crochet, repeat 4 times. Round 4. Join green yarn in any chain 3 space from round 3. Pattern per side. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Work 1 more double crochet in the same space. Chain 4. Skip to the 4th double crochet of the 9 double crochet group. Work 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch, work 1 single crochet. Chain 4. In the next chain 3 space, 2 double crochet. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 5. Join white yarn in the first stitch of any side. Chain 3. Counts as 1 double crochet. Work 5 more double crochet. In each chain 4 space, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Work 6 double crochet to complete the side. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 6. Join blue yarn in the first stitch of any side. Chain 1. Work 8 single crochet. In the chain 3 corner space, 5 single crochet. Work 8 single crochet to complete the side. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch join and weave in all ends.